kardom karbi solang do rat do anu tum phans tame nili hin pen kardom pajir thulo la pen pini lada ko pit hisi nili press meet ke phan kok ma nili nang li tum phan than thui po theke nili tum tumi helang media thung no press ke phapon do ik nili mithang ke so that ma lam injil ne that ase hemasor se kaninje pukin nili hemasor lo sitame nili tumi ke ning charong hoi hoi lo sitame ako pini nili tum phan council injustice mate nakachong thui son si nili tum phan mandet lo la se la so len patadar tum phan kachong thui council so la so aning oi ning dukalam si nang litum athung no kacha share phan se kacha paklai phan se pini press meet phai glo pini la so kisung ge nili sinon pholo penap ke mane tum tame phota thek mane arleng ke the tum tame phota thek alam ke la pulo 1953 pen nili phu Nihang Rongphar, late Nihang Rongphar, who was the second and fourth CM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, hala sot ke Mikir Hills pusipu, na se council penalang lipan allotment kipi along ledo, pulunia long 50 bikha so se la pen. Hala sohut alang li ke politician binar potse kam do matsi alang li ajirpo sukuram timung hajon namuk pen hangdet se Karbi Anglong district long aloko nang ta la dak Karbi Anglong le nang chedo non puse alang li jirpo phan hang lo la pen alang li phan ta 35 because ne pulunia aha war long alang li phan ta ke hona nam puse alang li phan ta pek lo la pen nili phu late mate kardi tang ni hang rong phar alang li apartment same chiri phokep ne chibilo stame unfortunately 1958 aninkan alang li CM klembom hutsi fourth CM alang li klembom hutsi alang li so pir hepen chewoi juilo amat se hala sohut alang li jirpo sukuram timung se la solong le alang li parman lang igbom lo la pen nili pesar aphan se 1958 api amen transfer to lo la puke nili pesar Indira Rongharpi asopolo Rajiv Kro la pen ni hang Rongphar supi banghini we Indira Rongharpi la pen moina Rongharpi pasi 1958 pen api ke sukuram timung si kelang pilo la sol along le sita api 1984 ningkan pen bangke sukuram timung Indira Rongharpi la pen moina Rongharpi phan sitame join pata kurilo halada iltum langnam lo politik tha buhi ai huilong stame pura record do la pen nilitum long lada bang ke thom amen join pata kuri amen stame lada do mo nili nang litum phanang paklang thupo ase nang lang pi bom lo sukuram ni phu sukuram phanili thang ning ke oyawe he was a good man good person la pen nili pesar Indira Rongharpi stame sukuram timung hem si alang li bihet ko haladak si ke dodut alang athema alang li ke jangrei binak lo nili pesar ke machala daksi ke dodut sukuram timung hem si phuluni hawar long kurna be rong lo sitame api asumar tumbang nang the nang ding lo asumar tum da do lo sita sukuram timung chewo eda phike asumar tumbang alang li tumabang along li ka chirai pilap je alang li tuman ning ha amatsi ala hoi hui chi ni si api 1999 Indira Rongharpi nili pesar la pen moina Rongharpi nili pai alang litum len pata ka bahak ri phan ka pangsek i phan si ARO phan chuning rilo la pen record pati hui check si hala so ARO dilipteron 2000 aninkan pata same alang litum phan plak dak lo achitim aron etke sukuram timung ke caretaker chot pat se alang li phani pipede da cho sitame ka ching hon pen se anan nikan ta nang kalana pi bang nang kelang pi bang ni li tumai hidi pusi alang li phan inwe da muni phan se achitim ke pidalo chiring kora please se la pen another 24 bighas ke 24 bighas 4 kothas 16 lusas ke Indira Rongharpi la pen moina Rongharpi phan se alang tum plak dak lo sitame plak dak api sitame apatang plak dak lo tema sitame land demarcation batai ka chuning ri sitame nang pun pipe dat lo 2007 aning kan sitame ARO halat so hot ARO timung sang ho gojen timung lang li ke ARO halat so 2006-7 along ke ARO lo phuluni revenue circle along lasi halat so tame nilituma ako case chedan thulo halat so ta nang pahai de lo lapen halat so ta demarcation kuri phan dak police atum phan alok hipita batai ka thom pline do yo lai hui han lo sitame demarcation ka kuri ji ani lo plote dak ko council ke jatum mate mana politician tum ARO mate joint secretary tum hans tame phone kuri po pa stop check tik amat council tame la so case lang pula file do an we ta council ke silong po thai lab lo joint secretary tum phan la pen halo so ta ka do we record pati check thu lab phi choklo la ke kang sai ha 2000 in kan dilip teron kang sai ta choklo la pen ake hai timung kang sai sta me chok lo ta ke thang lai ke ne ve lo ke chok che ve lo la si council se me hala so thot ateng si order to sta me papas lo je la ke chok lo la si timung hem tum phan sukram timung family tum phan 24 bigha street hota 17 lusas pinon a position the handover non pulo la pen pu moina Rongharpi la pen Indira Rongharpi tum phan sme 24 bigha 4 kothas 16 lusas along le plak dak lo la pen a position sitame handover kurilo sitame ako apata sapta nang plak lab lo 2004 nang kan si apata nilitum chelong lo la pen chelong ada phi official ke choklap lo tema officially an ke sitame demarcation ka kuri journey bang po ako demarcation nang kuri pi pedadikti la bang lo nilitum ining ke oidam ke athema demarcation nang kuri pulote pupu party hiniang bong ke kasi chok kasi theng doko ji officer source hala dak nang pun pi pa menang ji la pu phar ke nang li tum lo ho timong family tum lo la pu phar ke rong phar hem tum lo nang pun pi pa me ya hoi sarikona hoi halang tum pensin ang paklang si officially hala tum nang claim pi pa me an si ni li tum same ni li tum hala dak che do khol dam thek ji kali pulote a bisi che rai dam data thek ake kom che rai dam data thek la pulote ake kom che rai pute ni tum los lo a bisi si che rai am dat pulote tim hem tum los lo la pulote che bohong po nili tum halason ke REA officially nang di market pi pamenon pulo si pini arni antan di market kurire batai lo tuning pining tame nili joint secretary phan da council long land revenue department joint secretary phan lokipi demarcation nang kuri pj phan sitame alangli ano cheden de da son lo nang thang response ta weda lo sitame asai jok je si nili Guwahati High Court, Honorable Guwahati High Court long case pinang koklo nili tumalong le lason ha 1958 pen law along le ke lot menang pi 1984 pen ta kene joint pata medi pata dolo la pen 1999 aningkan o 2000 aningkan apatata nang plak dak lo khajana ta nili tum chipi bom lo revenue do an wian ka chipi nang je sonanta stameni lu phan demarcation nang kuri pipede pu aning kang samse a complain high court long GPC phi high court long judge long le si ipongvet halatum dismiss case council phan pulo people si demarcation people jong se kuri pipe pulote Arizona pino within 3 months ang bong jong kali pulote nang tum demarcation kuri pisra round pusi council phan high court order pilo amat Arizona ke thang dawe every sithabu hi everything a record na kaddo with clear patta sata do khajana ta pi bomb amat se excuse ke thang dawe that lo amat se ani si 16 9 mate 16 September 2023 ani se joint secretary pen demarcation kuri non pu ARO pluni circle IRO phan alang le lo nang pale lo la pen 22nd September ni nilito maphan demarcation ng kuri pilo high court order teng pen kasi high court demarcation ng kuri pia da pin nilito hada loge alang to mateng pen sari ko na anta nilito pillar se idun pillo loge sitame ako nilito ning charong olo kichok lo athema demarcation se kenang chi pot si demarcation nang kuri pilo athema apata ke dolo aja ta dolo everything is clear sitame lapuma busipute ako nitum pini da phuluni revenue circle pen ako alo ARO bang joint secretary phana report kitpi nilitum che thek thulong se ning duk lo da ARO bang dak la son si tok lo to the Secretary Department of Land Revenue KAAC Dipu. Sir, I would like to inform you that on 22nd 9/2023 at around 10 a.m. land have been demarcated under DAC number 51 to 96 nearly to Malong Lea DAC Lolake area of land 24 bighas 4 kothas 16 lusas village Eknong Tarabasa Moser under Moza Puluni under Puluni Revenue Circle as per your direction. Secretary Land and Revenue via memo number KAAC REV 1932/miscellaneous case/2023/440 dated 16/9/2023. Demarcation Korea lo pulo da ketok bang sita itum ning dugadam alam gela pulo je. Therefore, as per the order, LM and SM have demarcated the land, but the position have not been handed over till date po. Nili nang itum pan council pan karjukang tum ke kopilo nang itum da kabujidam ke la ke sorkar along legally la ke private land nang itum sorkar along lele nang pun pinon pule nang itum nang kachuning legally la da number 51 296 nili itum along le nang itum council pen sila da medi patata nang isulo Indra Rongharpi la pen moina Rongharpi pha lasi laso ahima nang papuni phansi nang paklang ji phan adu hoi ko anma ni tum abisi along le ka chirai dam de je phan mate ake kom sa mini tum ka chirai re je phan nang le tum phan nang papuni phansi pu sudala da jongsi nang pun pia phege apram na opposition nang pelo 2007 nang ka nang le tum council pen ni le tum phan order dang pass lo timung hem tum handa 24 because 3 kotha 17 dusa sal tum phan pilo le pen opposition da handover lo ni le tum phan da la son da thak lo ni le pai tum phan ko pi sila da alam dola langdam elo pute laki illegal nang litum joint secretary dapen la so alam puthak ni litum high court long ako alam pale thui athema nang litum laki ke claim ke illegal ni litum me thang long le long ni litum ko pc claim ji ma claim nang pun pia da phike ni litum boundary ar loke ni litum ning ka ha nang litum pha nang pun pi ni litum ananing kan pen ko pc inte ni litum pha na me di patan ki pilon te lapen ananing kanang apen nilitum khajena nang litum phanang ki pibom ko pi phanon te nilitum nang ki pibom nilitum along le pharman si nilitum khajada nang si pilo ke nang litum pha apatata nang litum pensi nang isulo ke council pen ko pisen te nang litum aso nang pa dodun thuro la position nang henover alam se vela da ke position nilitum pharman na position ke ha 1958 pen nilitum ala so long le 50 because ne along le position ke doke ni sita me hala so pen kapalang abang sukuram timung phansi ni litum kapalang abang hala phan ki la so long le along kapalang abang ke nilitum ning ga hang mane atimung hem phanda thek mane aterang hem phanda thek mane bengali phanda thek mane mohong so phanda thek that is none of your concern ko ma phansi ni litum so long le kapalang ma ke nang litum nang pudun dia all the way la pen non ni litum nang papun pita hala tum phan achitim kini ada pi achitim ke nitum pharman lo dak hand over welang position hand over welang pu ke nang litum nang pudunji la dak right away la pen la ke illegal la pen la so putha alam ni litum high court long ako pali thuji jongsi nang litum la so order non mat check and sell say pulute mate kali pulute nang litum loge la so pot positions me hand over edlo pu loge a low order KAC pen nang isu thu thei pulute la pen nang litum la dak to the officer in charge utor borbil outpost lorin thepi karbiang long ARO pen ke tokalodo lada son se toklo je I would like to bring to your knowledge that on 29/9/2023 demarcation nilo at around 10 a.m. land have been demarcated under DAC number 51 200/296 village number Eknong Tarbasa, Moza Puluni under Puluni Revenue Circle. As per the direction of Secretary Land and Revenue, a letter was written to you via memo number KAAC/ARO/PC Land Demarcation 2023/4101 dated 21 September 2023. neither you nor your representative were present during the said demarcation. Police tum hanta ARO tum lohang nang parab dun jipan pinechi bohong da dan napu lahan lo ho alo sitame police tum wangwe lake puthot second alo ke tok tu lo lake police tum han ARO tum halada ako ke tok do tulang. Therefore, as per the LM/SM report, the plot of land have been demarcated, but the possession have not been handed over till date. Ko pia potong lo song ke tok ne nili ta chichi ne nili tum thang along le ke opposition da nili tum lo nil mo pen ki puson ta si mo pen 1958 pen da nili tum si along le ka paklem ya nu ka pre ka phat po alarm chot lo. Therefore, you are requested to remove any banner as it may have been placed in the same plot of land where demarcation took place. Haladak nilitum thang benar ta tarte stame nilitum private property, no trespassing puke tokdo athema halak nilitum property majoka property takali nilitum property lo land allotment lo sinilitum la so kita ladak majoka police make dam pen nituma permission of pin pen haladak ke plot dam je other be jong se police tum me jong se plot jok plote nang litum joint secretary will be held responsible for that la pen so lam pu thak ni high court ta dam je nang li chite wara thai we pin je la se nang litum la hui order nang li ning hang teng ke se papleng khap ma ko man ma tong nang litum han bidi nang pidun lo ne ni le nang chini ne I don't care ko mane ar leng ke thei mane politician the thek sita me nang litum ladak jahata order ki pige nang litum chokche aron ateng pe nang litum claim nang litum phan council ke ja politician num han sta me ni litum ening thepi la pen nang litum phan sin litum ta nang ning che these vote nang jok lo sita me inut bahini a politician tum nili chichini amen ke nili dak pupe lo nang litum la sai hu along nang chi jok dun de te me par pigi department so tum record ateng pen chong bai be pin pen chong thui te pin pen a hok ateng pen akam pa che claim pa mena la da jahata ha la kene kam claim tum phan joint secretary punon ARO punon ASO tum phan punon unnecessary apresar ki pidun de ji phan se chuding ri lo bonse me a hok akang sai ke long je phan si nang li tum sta me a be dun de dang ji halapu be pu a sistema we dang ji nang li tum inut a politician lo plote nang litum ki duke plan lang le det nang ji ko pima a hok amun le kom hex tame a hok lo plote nang litum a hok a phansi nang litum arja pidun thip tang ji a hok a politician plote te la hando nang li vote ke long je phan ka li ka lang nang li khi ka che pa ong je phan ka li ka lang la da a game nang khela dun de dat sige me especially politician tum phan kado we kali ningoi dari inut bahini politician tum nang litum along le phelang dopi nang litum nang methang along le phelang chelang ni ko mani phan si ka palang la de pini ni litum ke phobom la so a situation nang litum da ani simani si phoje I can guarantee you that karma pu hindi pen dai pu budo english pen pu budo what goes around comes around de ko pi se ke ne ma ko mo nang li long si chewang thuji nang litum pini ke claim ke chok che son those ko mo nang litum long la so a punishment nang litum puthak ako nang phothuji nang litum mo pen ki puson na tax ni nang litum long le phelang do nang litum chelang on la hoi phelang along le phelang ko mane phan si ka palang la ko mane mo hong so phan si nang litum hidi long ka patiki ningkan kep in koi phi thong kep phi ke nang li chelang nam thek the pot mo halatum ta mo nang litum along le nang cherai pi da lo plote nang li neng instamia khajana ke nang li si pibom la patata nang li rideng si dolo nang li si choding lo sitame non ni litum situation na taxi nang litum nang litum khiti na claim pi do abang nang litum along le nang cherai pi da lo plote nang litum da ning samjima nang litum ke ni litum achitim ki pi da son ha ki pi pe bon niltum an chibhong tung te nang khelang pi bang bose anan ning kan ben niltum jiri inkora photeng lo niltum ki pi halatum pha ba pen non ke nang thak pa me phi ke nang litum jahata hatum ke dak nang chi jok ndet chime kali pulute there will be a severe consequences I don't care it might be against the government athema non teng pulute la da jahata ha order ka pa pasaret ke la da sarkar ta involved in that nang naklo jo pasti nili kacuning ri kang tung ake hai Dr. Tuliram Ronghang Honorable CM KAC nangli akijata mepik nili tum ka do weda chini ro karbian lo ngasor la se non nili tum akisung hut a prang cem second la pen for the cem karitang ni hang rong par apan aman pira mathara nangli samil so a case along nang pasol dun serak rak ji phansi nili hin pen tuning rilo la hoi a third party ai hoi nang pachit jokun thap the ji phan unnecessary game samokha ladak nang pa involved in the ji phansi nili hin pen tuning rilo athema da demarcation da korea lo automatically si position da nitum long si dolo pot nili tum long lebi na pot position da dolo ladak ai hui opposition ditum pipelang bola hui order jahat tahat kapatok te that ra officers or tum phan joint secretary atum phan immediately de alang tum jong se council pen ki pinang ji alo do position ho kine alo blote pi alo jong se ki pivek nang ji do pote papra jin pen kapa pg phan sin nili hin pen cm sar phan tuning rila la se nili hin pen la pan si non haning sam por lam the theni same kai control cardon
ne Naomi Rongharpi. So if you see right now the situation here, we got a demarcation order. I mean demarcation order from Guwahati High Court, and here the Joint Secretary is trying to play a game because he's just trying to comply the order which Guwahati High Court has given. So he just want to show that we have complied the order and we have demarcated the land. He just wanted to show this to the Guwahati High Court, but inside they are playing another game because there it says the demarcation it's done, but it's not handed over. The position is not handed over. Why should you hand over? We already have a position. Only thing, the problem was that demarcation was not been done. So now demarcation is already done and it's finished. I don't know why everybody is creating this unnecessary problem. It's already, the demarcation has been done and it's all boundary is already been shown to us. Now we have already put all the posts over there. Now nobody, I would request everyone, please don't dare to go enter and transfer into our land. And please don't dare to remove any of our things, whatever is put up there. We have planted our plants there. We have already put our posts there. We have already put our board there. That is our private land. That is our patta land. You said position is not handover. Who are you to hand over the position? We already have the position from long back. We only didn't want to fight. That's why we didn't go there and then take the position forcefully, by force. We didn't want to do that because we are a law-abiding citizen. I am from a very good family. My whole this Taro family is a good family. We don't like to make nonsense in the society. If we fight in front of people, everyone like a dog, we will send a very bad message to the society. We don't like to do that. Yeah, somebody, politician suggested me, oh madam, if it is yours, why don't you just go and dakol koribi na? Yeah, moi keneka dakol korim. Apuni mo ulai de bhalke. Apuni mo at least hima to bhalke at least amak dikhai de. Amak juki pala amak ulai de. Teta hai ami bhalke officially ami take dakol korim. To etia amar hoi gol bhalke apuni dikhai dise bahut bahut dhanyabad. Ami sob jitu ase post to sobi lagalu. Etia amak etia kunu disturb koribo nagale. Don't disturb us. Please do not disturb us and don't trespass into our land. We already possess our land and nobody can tell us to leave the position. No, if this, like whatever the arrow wrote today, I know 110% that ASO Jojo Terang, he has no fault. He was just been forced, he was been dictated to write all this. So I will not blame ARO or ASO. It's just from somebody up, it's just vested interest person. They are just trying to play their games. Are a politician, you all have so much of land, why are you eyeing our land? And there is one politician who has even took some share from our land compensation. I can mention the name right now here, but right now I will not mention. But if time comes, I won't mind. I won't hesitate to mention the name also.
4-lane highway.
4-lane highway compensation from our share of land. He has even eaten that also. I have the name right now. Also, I have the name. I have the proof. But right now, I don't want to tell that. But when times come, I will. I will surely will. But then so whatever you have written here, it's all from above. They're calling 24/7 to ASO. You know, dictating him what to write. So this is so very illegal. Please don't try to play a game with us. We don't have money like you or people. We don't have money like, you know, to just waste the money like that. We have a very, you know, hard-earned money. But then even if we don't have money, we will fight. We will fight for our right. Even if we have to go to Supreme Court, we will go. And we will not give up. Please don't think that by sending all this thing you're going to scare us. No, we're not scared at all. We don't care. We don't care at all. And then जो politicians है, आप लोगों को मैं बताना चाह रही हूँ कि politics के समय में, आपका campaign के समय में, मैं ये party worker हूँ. I am a BJP party worker. I work for this BJP party, and then I went for campaign without eating, drinking. I didn't even have to had time to sleep. Early in the morning, late at night, I work hard for this party. Now why this biasness here? Why this favoritism here? If they are your party, I am your party too. If they are your people, we are your people too. If they have voted for you, we have voted for you too. So why can't you be just neutral? I am not telling you to help me. अभी का बीजेपी का हमारा सरकार का क्या है कि सबके साथ सबके विकास. आप हमारा विकास मत करो, आप हमारा साथ मत दो, हमको नहीं चाहिए. आप लेकिन न्यूट्रल रहो. आप हमारे साथ अन्याय मत कीजिए. आपका अन्याय से we won't be scared. हमको बिल्कुल भी डर नहीं लग रहा. We are just surprised. हमको हंसने का मन कर रहा है कि like जो काउंसिल में बैठा हुआ है, जो लैंड एंड रेवेन्यू है, I mean, do they have right to write like this? डिमार्केशन बोलने का मतलब क्या होता है? Why do they demarcate? अगर आप किसी का प्राइवेट, आप गवर्नमेंट लैंड को अगर डिमार्केट करो, आप किसी को अगर आप वो डिमार्केट करके किसी को भाग दे रहा है, वो अलग बात है कि चलो मैं डिमार्केट कर दिया है एंड देन पोजीशन में बताऊंगी कि मैं किसको किसको दूंगा, मैं बताऊंगा बाद में. बट दिस इज ऑलरेडी possessed land, this already patta land, it's already revenue has been paying very regularly. Every single year we've been paying our revenue very regularly. And what is this position? You don't have to give us position. We already have a position. The only thing, the problem we had was the demarcation, because we didn't want to take more from them. We didn't want to take less. We just want you to show us the four boundaries officially. That's why we demanded that demarcation land. Just because you couldn't give here. This case is so very simple. Why do we have to go to Guwahati High Court when everything can be solved here so easily? What is so difficult? Then why is the council here such a big building? What is there for? Isn't it for the public? Isn't it for us? Isn't it not for the 6th schedule, this Karbi Anglong people? Why do we have to go out of Karbi Anglong to look for justice? It's so very easy to solve, but then even now also case is solved, it's resolved, but again you are trying to create problem. I don't know why. Just some vested interested person, stop doing this. You are not going to get anything, because we are not going to give up. We are not going to give up. That is our land, our heritage. We inherit that land. That is our grandfather's, my husband grandfather's land, and we didn't buy that land for anyone. That is, they are the right to get that land, and we have all the right, all the legal way. We are having everything legal way. And it's not like that, they took care of our land, so we just, kick them out. No. In fact, it was Sukram Timung, Indra Rongharpi, Moina Rongharpi. Supposed to be divided into 3, because Patta there was 3 names. But it was divided into only 2 parts. One for Sukram Timung, another part for these 2. So 24 biga, 3 kota, something lusai, Sukram Timung alone, he will get this. And another 24 biga, these 2 sisters will share it. So isn't it enough? Even the second part, this Timung party, this beauty Timung P, this Kangura Timung, this Borsik Timung's children, this Borpatar children. Why so greedy? You already have so much. This 24 biga we have given you from our share. Nihang Rongpar has already given you all 35 share long back. Why so greedy? We are not bad people. We don't like to fight with people. And whenever everybody will notice, even the politician also, wherever we go, we always go alone. We don't take 100 people with us. It doesn't mean we don't have people. We have a lot of people. We have a lot of friends. Our family is very big. Our family is very big. If we call every one of them, everybody will come and support us. They will sit with us. But we don't want them to do that. Because we want to do by ourselves. We don't want to trouble anyone. Now the second party, what do? Whenever there is demarcation order comes, they'll call everybody. They call all the politicians, everyone, whoever they could, and then they'll gather whole villagers, and then to make it look like, everybody is supporting them. The poor villagers, they don't even know what's going on. They don't even know whose patta this is, whose land this is. Don't involve the innocents. Don't involve innocents. If you think you are right, you have to fight legally, peacefully. Not try to, hit us, spit on us. It will not work. It will not work. It's always better if you can sit and, talk peacefully. The many things can resolve by talking. All these things we have to do, look for legal way. Why? Because second party were very aggressive. They're very aggressive. Whenever we go, they were always very, very aggressive. They bring hundreds of people. So that is the reason we had to take this legal route. Otherwise, we never wanted to fight. Second party always approached us. They wanted to give us 10 lakh, 3 lakhs for the 24 bigas. Even if you give our crores, like 100 crores, we are not willing to sell this land, because this land, we are not measuring this land with any kinds of money. Because we are not measuring this land with any kinds of money, because any money has no value in front of this land, because this land is our memory. It's memory of our grandfather, my husband, their Indra Rongharpi's children, Moira Rongharpi's children. It's their memory. So this land will never be sold out. So they tried their best. They came to us, approached us several times to sell the land to them. We are not going to sell the land. Please stop this, whatever doing. Everybody, whoever involved in here, vested person, also vested interest, person, stop doing this nonsense, because we are not going to give up. If you think by sending all this report, you think that we will be scared, we are not scared. We are not scared at all. We are not scared. Until and unless we are wrong, we are not scared. So please stop doing this. Everything, whatever you are trying to do, it will be useless, because we will fight. We will fight for our right. And I'm sure there will be many cases like this. For us, we can fight. But there are many people who, like my mother-in-law, my father-in-law, they tried their best. Indra Rongharpi, Moira Rongharpi, they tried their best. That's why they have all these documents, but they didn't have courage to go out and meet people. Anyway, it doesn't help anyways. Now I know, because even I work for the party, but then I can see here what happens. So anyway, they didn't have I won't say courage. They had enough courage to have all these documents. They have gone to many legal route, but in the main legal route, they couldn't go to the court. This is all council. That's why council is just just keeping them around, just hitting around the bush, okay, not coming to the point. When it's about to come to the point, somebody will, all this, like some foolish will order this kind of things. So please stop doing that. I think this is just useless, because it's not gonna help. It's really won't gonna help. Seriously, I'm telling. This won't gonna, it will really not help. So my request is to please do not interfere, politicians. Please think about us also. We are also your people. I have never campaigned in my life. I don't even know what is politics. After coming here, after meeting some political, women, I went with them. I campaigned in my whole Benjamin Taro Gaon, house to house, door to door. I went and I campaigned for this BJP party to vote. And today I can see what they are doing. Sabka vikas, sabka साथ, सबका विकास. किधर है सबका साथ, सबका विकास? आप तो अपने पार्टी के साथ भी नहीं दे रहे हो. आप अपने साथ भी नहीं दे रहे हो. आप हमारा साथ मत दीजिए. मैं नहीं बोलती कि आप मेरे साथ हो. मैं खुद का लड़ाई मैं खुद लड़ सकती हूँ, लेकिन आप मेरे साथ में आप गलत मत कीजिए, इनजस्टिस मत कीजिए. So this is one thing that I really want to say. And of course I want to request our honorable CEM sir, Dr. Naomi Rongharpi sir, I have met you. You've been very nice to us. Thank you so much for being nice to us. But then today I want to tell you, there under you some politicians, they are really involved here. If I want, I can take a name right now, but I don't want to do that, because our intention today sitting here is not to put anyone down. We just wanted to make our, this stand clear. So we didn't want to insult anyone or take anyone's name and then we want to spoil anyone's name. No, that's not the motive. So, sir, if everything is clear here, from land, from revenue, from everything, the position orders we got long back, not only once, twice, we got so many times already. Only demarcation was left. That's why we focused on demarcate our land, because we know we have the position already. So demarcated, the land is demarcated, and then we have put all our posts in our four corners. Now there is no more dispute. Please do not create another dispute unnecessarily. Try to scare us, try to lengthen the process, try to apply delay tactic like before. Please don't do that anymore. The situation has changed, the time has changed. It's not my mother-in-law Indra Rongharpi and Moina Rongharpi and my father-in-law Jonathan Taro anymore. They are very peaceful people. They don't like to fight with people. But for us, if we have to fight, we will fight. We will fight for our tooth and nails. We don't care whoever you are. Stop doing this and then stop creating problems. And then Sir Naomi Rongharpi, if you can please look into this matter and then control some of the politician who has this vested interest on our land, because I'm sure they have lot of land. Why are they looking on our land? Please don't do that, because it's of no use. It looks like the way they are involving themselves, it looks like they have already made an agreement with the second party that साथ जो भी करके आप जस्ट वो मट्टी निकाल दो, हमको 1-2 बीघा भी दे दो, लेकिन आप सब ले लो, लेकिन वो मट्टी निकाल दो. It looks like that because they are so interested. It looks like now it's not about the Timung party and this Taro and Crow party anymore. It's like whole council is going inside our land. Now what is this? Yeah, this is like so shameful. 24 बीघा ही तो है वो. 24 बीघा में से 12 वो इंदिरा रॉन्घार्पी ले लेगी, 12 मोइना रॉन्घार्पी ले लेगी. This is so lazy. Yeah, you council people have a lot of money. Stop doing this nonsense and then stop torturing us. Demarcation has done, let it be. Please do not do anything else. And writing police to take out all this banner, this is very illegal. Because during demarcation itself, you all told the ARO and then this Mondo also say, as soon as because for them, what is that? They will just come and show the boundary. And then we have to put pillar to know that this is our boundary. So here again, position, how does this position come here? We already have the position. You don't have to give us. You already given long back. We have patta. We have all the revenues paying every single day. I mean every single year. So it's all clear. So that's all for today. I am sure it's clear to everybody. And then if there's anything, I mean, I'm sure we're not the only one. There are many other people suffering like us. I'm very sure. So if anybody is suffering like us, if you think you are right, I would say you should fight. You should not sit quietly and then sit in a corner and cry for your misery. Don't do that. You should fight. And if you have all the documents, I am ready to help. So to all the message to all the vested interested person in our land, please don't be, because you won't get anything. That's all I wanted to say. And thank you so much, Hor Karbi Anglong. And thank you for the people who always watches our video and who always support us. We get a lot of support from our people. Thank you so much. Keep loving us, keep blessing us. And then that's all I wanted to say. Thank you everyone. Kardom.